Hello and welcome to the Nightingale College Library. This video is going to discuss what the Nightingale College Library provides, as well as what the Nightingale College Librarian provides. Now, the Nightingale College Library is a part of a larger function known as Learner Resources and Library that provide all of your academic support resources for your learner experience. The Nightingale College Library offers services like 24/7 access to our ebooks collection, 24/7 access to academic databases, library tutorials, support with course textbooks in the form of frequently asked questions, librarian services, interlibrary loan services, graduate library services, frequently asked questions, how-to training videos, research tips, and also assistance with scholarships. To access all of these resources, you want to use the My Nightingale platform. Access the library homepage to get started. Here you will find access to resources that we've described and also access to our library database collection using the Click Here to Launch EBSCO button. Now let's talk about some of the librarian services offered. The Nightingale College Librarian provides coaching services in the form of one-on-one library appointments, research assistance, reference services such as Ask the Librarian chat, Ask the Librarian email, Ask the Librarian through our database platform, as well as study hall and drop-in times. Additional resources include learner webinars that are available throughout the term, database assistance, and library and class instruction. To access your librarian services, you want to, again, access the My Nightingale platform, select library to get started. Now for more tutorials like this, feel free to access the library tutorials page. Thanks for watching.